TIE is a non-profit organization basically focused on mentoring, entrepreneurship, created by people who made it big and they wanted to help others make it big. That has been the standard spirit of TIE throughout, with more than 50 chapters across the world. More and more people are helping more and more people to achieve success. Such workshops and seminars are endeavor on the part of TIE to share experiences, to share problems that we have faced as we get into startups, as we scale, as we face problems. HR, one of the core features in any organization for attracting, retaining talent. More and more people realize that it is HR which makes or breaks it. And we have one of the success stories with us, Prashant, who will share with us what probably we need to do when we are faced with some of the common problems. Let me tell you briefly about Prashant. He's been into telecom sector with Hutch and BTL in the areas of sales, marketing, communication, distribution. So he's seen everything before he came back to HR. He was part of the formation team of jobsahead.com. He has spearheaded sales operations in Western India and initiated business in Middle East. After JobsAhead got acquired by Monster, Prashant played a key role in integrating both the teams and hand-holding business during transition. Plug HR as an idea got formed during his tenure with JobsAhead, which got shaped while he spent 10 years setting up national footprint for IT people as its country head. In April 27, Prashant was back to entrepreneurship, forming his early team to kickstart Plug HR. And 3 years down, Plug HR is running entire HR department for over 60 companies across 11 cities in India, across industry sectors. Plug HR was awarded the Best Startup Award by Silicon India in 2009, and it got nominated for Tata NEN Hottest Startup Award in 2008. And was also recognized as big out-of-the-box idea by the Economic Times in December 2007 within 8 months of launch. Very interesting, in a recent achievement, IIT Mumbai has appointed Plug HR as a default HR department for all its incubated companies at its incubator. Little bit on his personal front. For all of us who belong to Chandigarh, he's done his high school schooling in Chandigarh. He's graduated from Physics Honors School, Punjab University. We have that department as a common link between the two of us. Of course, he went on to do MBA later. From some of the postings he's done in his blogs, which I didn't share with him, with his family, he's done a complete rickshaw trip of the entire city. He's also ventured into horse riding in the riding club in Chandigarh. Coming to Chandigarh, he shared with me, is always interesting. And in fact, yesterday he was at the Punjab University checking out some of the old, addas that he had.